The Ralph Lauren Home Decor style, what it is, and how to get the look. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found my little corner of the internet. And if you've been here a while, you know that I love talking about spaces that feel like they have some soul. And today we're talking about one of the most requested aesthetics on this channel, the Ralph Lauren style. And I want to be really clear about this up front. I'm not talking about running out and buying Ralph Lauren brand furniture. I'm talking about the Ralph Lauren aesthetic as a mood. It's a vibe. It's an entire feeling that you can create in your home. And honestly, you can do it on almost any budget. So today, we're covering what this style actually is and where it comes from, what colors define it, and exactly how and where to shop for it without spending a fortune. Don't forget to check out the description box where I've placed some items that I have hand curated for you. But before we get started, welcome to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to check the description box for a curated list of items perfect for your home. Okay, so let's start with the major question. What is the Ralph Lauren style? Okay, so what does Ralph Lauren style actually mean when we're talking about home decor? Well, the best way that I can describe it is this. Imagine you walk into a home that feels like it's been lived in for generations. There are leather chairs that are worn in just the right way. There's a bookshelf filled with old books and interesting objects that look like they were collected from just years of travel. There may be a plaid throw draped over the arm of a sofa, a brass lamp glowing in the corner, maybe a painting of a horse on the wall, or some framed botanical prints. It's very elegant in its own way, but it's not fussy. It's refined, but it's warm. It feels expensive, but also super comfortable, like someone actually lives there and loves it. That, my friends, is the Ralph Lauren aesthetic. Now, at its core, this style is rooted in the idea of timeless, heritage-inspired living. It draws from Old English countryside homes, American prep culture, equestrian traditions, and that old money sensibility where everything looks like it was chosen with intention and then loved on for decades. The key words I want you to hold on to are layered, collected, and grounded. Every Ralph Lauren inspired space feels like it has a history, like the pieces weren't bought all at one time from one store, but gathered over time. And that's the energy that we're going to be going for. Now I want to zoom in because there are certain details that show up in every single Ralph Lauren inspired space. And once you know what they are, you'll be able to spot them instantly. And more importantly, you'll know exactly what to hunt for when you're out shopping on your own. Now the first one is leather. Aged, worn, warm-toned leather. Maybe a leather armchair, a leather sofa, even just a small leather tray on a coffee table. It doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, the more character that it has, the better. Leather is truly the backbone of this style. Next, plaid and tartan. A plaid wool throw draped casually over a chair or sofa, plaid accent pillows, even plaid upholstery on a small bench or ottoman. It's one of the most recognizable signatures of this aesthetic, and it's one of the easiest and most affordable things to add. Then there's brass. Brass lamp bases, brass picture frames, brass candlesticks, brass hardware on furniture. And it doesn't need to be shiny and new. Antique or slightly tarnished brass actually fits this style even better. If you only add one metallic to a room, make it brass. So now let's talk about books. because books are non-negotiable. Stacked horizontally on coffee tables and shelves, with small objects resting on top, a candle, a small vase, an interesting stone or figurine. Old books with warm spines are perfect, and you can find them for almost nothing at used bookstores. And finally, heritage artwork, equestrian prints, botanical illusions, antique style maps, moody oil painting style landscapes, framed in dark wood or antique gold, of course. These are the finishing touches that pull everything together and gives the space that collected, almost storybook feeling. Now those 5 things, leather, plaid, brass, books, and heritage art, are your Ralph Lauren shorthand. Consider these your pillars. Get these right and everything else falls into place. Alright, color palette. And I'm keeping this simple because this style is not complicated when it comes to color. Think rich, warm, and grounded. Your foundation colors are deep navy, warm cream, camel, and chocolate brown. Now these are your base, your walls, your large furniture pieces, your rugs. Then you layer in your accent colors. Forest green, burgundy, and antique gold or brass. These may show up in your pillows, your accessories, your lamps, or your artwork frames. What you want to avoid is anything too bright, anything too cool toned, or too stark. No bright whites. Go for warm ivory or cream instead. No cool grays, no pastels. This palette is warm, deep, and a little moody in the best possible way. If you're not sure where to start, here's my simple formula. 1 dark neutral, 1 warm neutral, and 1 deep accent color. Navy sofa, cream walls, burgundy throw pillows. Done. That's already Ralph Lauren, that easy. So now, let's talk about the actual elements that make a space feel like this. Because once you know what to look for, trust me, you're gonna start seeing it everywhere. First off, furniture. It should feel substantial and grounded. So think leather sofas and armchairs. The more worn in, the better. Dark wood side tables and coffee tables. Wing back chairs. Nothing too sleek, nothing too modern, nothing too minimal. If it looks like it belongs in a library, it's probably perfect. Also, textiles are everything. This is where the layering happens, and this is honestly the most affordable place to invest. Plaid and tartan throws draped over furniture, velvet and linen pillows mixed together, Persian or Oriental style rugs as the foundation of any room, linen curtains that are slightly oversized. That little puddle on the floor is very intentional. Layer at least 3 different textures in every seating area and you will feel the difference immediately. Now let's head over to books, real ones, stacked horizontally with small objects placed on top. Maybe a little candle or a little stone, maybe even a little horse statue that would tie in well. Visit a used bookstore and spend maybe $20 at max. It will transform a bookshelf or coffee table instantly. Another tip for you, some of the books look really raggedy. If you take off that paper cover and just have the hardback book, it's going to fit in so much better with this style. So now let's talk about brass and dark metal accents. Table lamps with brass bases and dark shades. Picture frames in antique gold, candlesticks, drawer cabinet hardware, if you're able to swap them out. Heritage-inspired artwork. Now framed equestrian prints, botanical prints, old maps, hunting scenes, or moody landscape paintings. These don't need to be expensive. Etsy and even Amazon have beautiful options that look incredibly authentic. And last but not least, or finally, trays. A leather or dark wood tray on your coffee table styled with a candle, or a small stack of books, and one interesting object. It's the easiest Ralph Lauren move that you can make today. So now that you have an idea of what to look for, let's talk about where to shop. This is the part I know you've been waiting for because yes, this style can look expensive, but it absolutely does not have to be expensive. Here's exactly where I would shop to pull this look together on a real tight budget. One would be, obviously, thrift stores and antique markets. They're going to be your single best resource for this aesthetic. I cannot stress this enough. The Ralph Lauren style was made for secondhand shopping. Worn leather chairs, dark wood side tables, brass lamps, old books, interesting objects. All of this is sitting in thrift stores and antique shops right now with dollar price tag stickers on them. And aged, imperfect pieces actually look better in this style than the brand new pieces. If thrift stores are not your thing, I have another option for you. Check out Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, especially for leather sofas and chairs. A lived-in leather sofa that someone else has done with is going to be your treasure. This is genuinely one of the best ways to get that perfectly worn-in look without paying for it. Also, check out stores like HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. Go in with this video fresh in your mind. You will find plaid throws, velvet pillows, brass accessories, oriental-style rugs, leather trays, dark wood frames, like every single thing we've been talking about, you can find here at a fraction of retail pricing. And last but not least, of course, Amazon. Now, I've done a lot of the hunting for you here on Amazon, so be sure to check the description box. But they're going to have your brass lamps, your velvet pillows, your leather trays, plaid throws, and every other single item that we've talked about in this style. Now, you have to look around and search, but there are some genuinely great finds. And I've linked, once again, everything that I love in the description box, so you don't have to do the painstaking hours of research that I did. My overall strategy: spend on one hero piece per room, maybe a really great rug or a leather chair or a velvet sofa, and then pull everything else from thrift and budget stores. The mixing is actually what makes it look more authentic. And that is your complete introduction to the Ralph Lauren Home Decor style. What it is, the signature details that define it, the color palette, and exactly how to shop for it on a budget. Every thrift store trip, every antique market, every time you find that perfect worn leather chair or that stack of dusty old books, you're adding to a space that feels genuinely yours. And that's really what this style is all about. Now, everything I mentioned today is going to be linked in the description box below. And if you found this helpful, a thumbs up means the world to me. It helps this channel grow so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come join us. New videos every week. I'll see you on the next one. Happy decorating, friends.